List of nuclear power plants in India. Nuclear power is the fifth largest source of electricity in India after thermal, hydroelectric and renewable sources of electricity. Presently, India has 22 nuclear power reactors operating in 7 states, with an installed capacity of 6,780 megawatt electric MV. 18 reactors are pressurized heavy water reactors, PHWRs, and 4 are light water reactors, LWRs. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, based in Mumbai, is a government-owned corporation of India that is responsible for the generation of electricity through nuclear power. NPCIL is administered by the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. Nuclear power plants in India operational. Kakrapa Atomic Power Station 1993, location Gujarat, operator NCIL, capacity 440. Kalpakam, Madras Atomic Power Station 1984, location Tamil Nadu, operator NCIL, capacity 440. Narora Atomic Power Station 1991, location Uttar Pradesh, operator NCIL, capacity 440. Kaga Nuclear Power Plant 2000, location Karnataka, operator NCIL, capacity 800. Rajasthan Atomic Power Station 1973, location Rajasthan, operator NCIL, capacity 1180. Tarapur Atomic Power Station 1969, location Maharashtra, operator NCIL, capacity 1400. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant 2013, location Tamil Nadu, operator NCIL, capacity 2000. Nuclear power plants in India under construction. Madras, Kalpakam, location Tamil Nadu, operator Bhavini, capacity 500. Rajasthan Unit 7 and 8, location Rajasthan, operator NCIL, capacity 1400. Kakrapa Unit 3 and 4, location Gujarat, operator NCIL, capacity 1400. Kudankulam Unit 3 and 4, location Tamil Nadu, operator NCIL, capacity 2000. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.